Okay, so today what we're doing is we're going to be cutting some tubing. Actually, what we're doing is we're cutting bullet casings for a company called Tempo DJ and Records. They make 45 record adapters for the turntables. They cut off the casings and they anodize the aluminum part and press in the bullet casings, and it looks pretty radical. So what we're going to do is we've got the double slide, and all we do is start the machine, hit the buttons, and off you go. And what we're doing is we're cutting off and doing a slight edge break at the same time, and as fast as you can load them is how fast you can knock these things out. Now think about what you can do if you've just got basically just some tubing to cut off, or let's say you got a face and chamfer apart or face and groove apart or whatever you may have an application for. It'll go just this fast, just as fast as you can load it. I can actually speed up the feed a little bit if necessary, but for demonstration purposes and such, I like to just run them as such, and you can see how quickly this is being done. Now imagine if you were using let's say a Harding's production slide. You'd have to push, pull, and after a while your arm gets tired, your shoulder gets tired, and it just doesn't work. You get inconsistent production off of it. But doing it this way, you just hit the buttons and off you go. So as I say, we're just doing a little cutoff job here. Nothing fantastic, nothing spectacular. But again, imagine if you were doing this by hand, or let's call it new school. Let's say you were doing it on your CNC. That would be ridiculous to do, because you don't take a very expensive piece of equipment just to cut off and chamfer a piece of tubing. So that's it for this conclusion of this demonstration of the double slide. Look for more examples to follow.